BioShock is a 2007 first-person shooter game developed by 2K Boston and 2K Australia and published by 2K Games. The first game in the BioShock series, it was released for Microsoft Windows and Xbox 360 platforms in August 2007. A PlayStation 3 port by Irrational, 2K Marin, 2K Australia and Digital Extremes was released in October 2008. The game is set in 1960 and follows Jack after his airplane crashes near the entrance to the underwater city of Rapture. Built by the business magnate Andrew Ryan, the city was intended to be an isolated utopia, but the discovery of Atom, a genetic material which grants superhuman powers, initiated the city's turbulent decline. Jack tries to find a way to escape, fighting Atom-obsessed enemies and Big Daddies while engaging with the few sane humans that remain and learning of Rapture's past. The player, as Jack, can defeat foes in several ways by using weapons, utilizing plasmids that give unique powers, and by turning Rapture's defenses against them. BioShock's concept was developed by Irrational's creative lead, Ken Levine, and incorporates ideas by 20th-century dystopian and utopian thinkers such as Ayn Rand, George Orwell, and Aldous Huxley, as well as historical figures such as John D. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.